She's stolen blankets. She likes blankets for some reason. I think she's tried to pull all of the blankets off the couch. And she brought the blanket over to her so she could chew on her little toy. I guess I'm gonna have to get her her own little blankie. My jacket fell on the ground. Kijk eens aan. Wat ga je ermee doen? Wat ga je ermee doen? She stole my glove. My snotlappie. Oh.